Welcome to this comprehensive review of GymRun Workout Log, a robust and versatile platform designed to streamline your fitness journey. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or an advanced athlete tracking progress meticulously, GymRun caters to a wide range of fitness enthusiasts. Let's dive into the interface first. It's clean, intuitive, and highly customizable. When you log in, you are greeted with a dashboard that provides a clear overview of your goals, recent workouts, and performance statistics. Navigation is seamless, allowing users to access different features quickly. The customization options are impressive. Users can set up their own workout routines, input exercises from an extensive library, or add custom ones to fit their unique training style. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for anyone following specialized training programs. GymRun shines in its tracking capabilities. It offers detailed metrics for each workout, from the number of sets and reps to rest times and weight progression. For cardio lovers, the app also integrates time, distance, and intensity tracking. These features make it easier to analyze performance trends over time. One standout feature is the calendar view, which provides a bird's-eye look at your training schedule. It's a fantastic tool for planning rest days, periodization, or simply ensuring you're hitting your fitness goals. For those who like data-driven insights, GymRun delivers. It offers charts and graphs that illustrate your progress, highlighting areas of improvement and consistency. While the app offers many positives, there are a few limitations. For instance, while it supports syncing with some fitness devices, integration options are relatively limited compared to other apps. Also, the initial setup can feel a bit overwhelming due to the abundance of features. Nevertheless, the platform compensates for these drawbacks with an extensive help section and active user community to guide newcomers. Overall, GymRun Workout Log provides an all-encompassing solution for fitness tracking. It's an excellent choice for anyone serious about improving their workouts and achieving their fitness goals. If you're looking for a platform that combines ease of use with powerful features, GymRun is worth considering. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more detailed reviews of fitness tools and apps.